Hey guys, it's Michael from Plan Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use fill down in Primavera P6. Listen, you've probably used Excel 1,000 times, and you know you can grab the little corner of a cell and copy all the values down just by dragging and dropping. We can do that in P6 as well. It's called fill down, and I want to show you how to use it. It is so handy for many different things. So let's have a look. All right, here's a simple schedule. It's not actually that simple. It's a fairly complicated schedule because I want this to look real. But one of the best places to use fill down is with calendars. Because let me show you how you switch calendars. So let's say I want to swap this calendar out from the mining calendar, and we'll just pick something simple like 5-day-a-week calendar. Now let's say I want to do that for every activity. There's no easy way to do it other than click each activity one at a time and pick the new calendar. Or is there? Yes, this is where fill down becomes invaluable. Let me show you what we can do. So we're going to pick, number one, you make the change on the first cell. So I've changed this first cell, and I want 5-day-week to be copied into the following cells. So I'm going to highlight and hold down Shift and highlight that column. Just like that. Now notice this little yellow bar here, orangish yellow bar, that indicates I'm in the right column. That's where my fill down is going to happen. And I can right click and go all the way to fill down right here. Or you can use Control E. Look at that, it copies the value down. Okay, this is so handy for calendars. Let's try it with another one. So let's say I want to fill down across this work breakdown structure. Can I do it? Yes, I can actually. Let's just keep filling down. I'm holding down Shift on my keyboard and highlighting all the cells, and there's my orange bar. And I can actually get fill down also from the Edit menu here. There it is, fill down or Control E. And I've now copied all those values down. But wait, Michael. There's a problem here. Look at this WBS bar. It's still got the old calendar. Can I tell you how many times I get this question? Almost every day. WBS bars only summarize the data below them. They do not have calendars. WBS do not have calendars. So it's just showing you the calendar that's assigned below. However, we made a change and the WBS needs to be updated. How do we do that? Let's go to File, Refresh Data, or we can do F5. Check this out. And now my WBS bars show the right calendar. Ta-da! Okay, great. So don't be fooled after doing a fill down by those WBS bars. Hit F5, refresh your data, and you'll see everything works out. But back to fill down. Where else can we use fill down? We can use fill down in all sorts of places. Let me go up and show you that fill down is not only available in the top half of my screen, but it could be available in the bottom half of my screen. Let's say I have a bunch of resources like this, and I want to copy this 40 units down to the other resources. Can I do that? Yes. Here we go, holding down Shift on my keyboard, clicking the bottom, and now, once again, I can right click. Oh, fill down's not on the menu in this case. Right, but we remember that Control E is the magic keyboard stroke. So let's do Control E. And now 40 is copied down. I did a fill down with 40. So it works there as well. Can I undo a fill down? Absolutely. You can go to Edit, Undo Fill Down, or again, magic keystroke is Control Z. Okay, and it puts everything back. Now, where else can I use fill down? One more place we should be aware of. The resource assignment screen. We can use fill down in all sorts of different areas. Now, I like the resource assignment screen. And let me find some activities. Here we go. Let me show you how we can fill down costs. So I have a budgeted cost value, and I've got some different values here. Let's say I want to fill that down all the way so that it's consistent all the way across. I just have one value that's different. Actually, let's come down here. We'll do it here. We can fill down, holding down Shift, and once again Control E, and the value gets copied all the way down. Fill down is an invaluable tool to help you copy data. And when you're working with large data sets, you're going to want to be able to copy large data across these different cells in P6. I encourage you, go play, go give it a try, and don't forget undo, Control Z to undo, or edit menu to undo. I hope you got some value out of this video. I'll see you again in another video. I'm Michael. Happy planning.